Alright, okay, I'm gonna start with the easiest to the most hardest. Most people actually, when they buy the computer, when they use the computer for a while, they feel that the computer is somehow slow. That's when they start installing all these programs, and then especially some graphic intensive program, the computers tend to slow down. It's because the software tends to use a lot of memory. I'm gonna show you how to upgrade the memory. If you notice, you could just actually skip this. I'm gonna start from easy to hard. Alright, I'm gonna flip this. On this model, the memory's on the back. On most laptops, the memory module is usually on the back side of the laptop. I'm gonna flip this over right here. Flip this over right here. Let me take a look at this. I'm gonna take one of these precision screwdriver and open one of these memory compartment. Okay. Well, before you do this, make sure the laptop is shut off. If not, you're gonna probably short circuit something. You're gonna damage your whole laptop. That's no good. Okay. The power here is shut off right here. I'm gonna open the memory compartment right here. Just open this right here. Okay. Alright. On this model, it's two slots right here. Okay. These are the memory modules right here. See, when I depress these two sides right here, the memory modules just pop up. Gently just pull this out and put it back. Put a memory module in. On this model, it's I think the maximum memory you get is 1 gigabyte, I believe. Let me check the specs. All computers are different. Yeah, it's 1 gigabyte. The maximum memory on this computer is 1 gigabyte. That means that you could put two 512 megabytes in it. There's two slots in it. Two memory slots. So you can put 512 on each slot. I'm going to put these in here, and I'm going to just close it. Make sure you get the right memory speed on this model. It's the PC2100 DDR SD-RAM. Okay, just close it and just screw it back. Make sure it's not screwed too tight. You don't want to damage the screw head. Just tight enough, but not too tight. Here.